Howdy. That's Indian and Texan. No, this episode is going to be chaos because I don't even have a complete Leatherman Bit Kit set, but I've had two of them at the same time. And that's how we're going to start this. So, yeah, it's just a lot of bits. You got, I don't have, but the kit comes with like an eyeglass screwdriver which fits the Wave and Wave Plus, which I broke on this kit, and the other kit, I guess, or maybe I gave it away. I don't even know what happened to it. I think I gave it to somebody that I worked with, and I'm pretty sure he wore glasses, and I was like, this will come in handy. But a lot of these I don't use very often. I tried to assemble as much of a kit as I had. I've got a flathead on the, all the Leathermans that I've purchased so far that have the bit driver come with a flathead and a Phillips head. I'm pretty sure they're sized too. And that's upside down. I don't even know what is happening. Wow, this is super hard to focus. Okay. Number 1 and 2 Phillips. That's handy. And then the 3/16 flathead is pretty much universal. They hit it spot on with their kit that they have. But aside from that, these fit like the Wave Plus, the Surge, the Signal, as you can see, and a whole bunch of others that I will add into the video. But I don't have all of those. But I've got this one. Oh, shoot. Yeah. So I've got these extra ones that I haven't used, but I do use the torch more often. A lot of times this just sits in the drawer, though, to be honest with you. Because if I need tools, I've got them. But yeah, they're handy. They're handy. I find it more... I don't use a sheath with my Leatherman when I carry it on me. A lot of people use it on their belts, I've seen. But I just drop it in the pocket. And from there, this is another thing to carry on me. And I don't really like that. Whoa, it's way different looking through things, like looking at things through a camera. It's such a mindfuck. But you've got Robertson Square drives. That's a little cool. And I think it's a 1 and a 2. Yep, 1 and 2. And then I really like how they were able to make it flat, but still functioning. Or functional, rather. Because the fact that it's still, like, it's not a regular shape. It's kind of cool. It's unique. Leatherman really hit it out of the park with this one. Because this is a good design. All these adapters have a little retainer right here that sits into that groove or notch or whatever. on all the bits. Wow. It's amazing. A lot of sizes. Pretty much all the torques that you're gonna encounter in the wild, except for like large torques, of course. But this comes with like a T6 and a T8, T10 and a T15. Oh jeez, I still got that one in my hand. Okay, I put that one in there. I'm freaking out, man. So we got T20 and T25. And I'm pretty sure this is a 27 and a 30. Yeah. That's a nice little set right there. That'll get a lot done. Well, maybe not so much the 6 and the 8, but definitely these 3. That's 6 bits right there. Oh yeah, obviously they're all double-sided. So when you have the full kit that's got like 21 pieces, it's got 42. Or maybe 43 with the eyeglass screwdriver. I'll verify that. Yeah, totally 42. Yeah. I don't come across very many of these, but if I need them, they're here. I don't have a screwdriver in these. I didn't even know that this existed, honestly. Embarrassingly enough. I didn't realize it was like a different fastener. Or a different drive to the fastener. But it's like an 8 side Phillips. That's kind of weird. Where is this? Okay. This is so hard to get like focused. Man. Thanks for bearing with me. Woo! So yeah, this is an almost set, but I do have some. Just I had 2 full sets, but I combined them, and I have some doubles of some, and don't have others. Yeah. All in all, though, pretty handy. It's really a big expansion on what all the Leathermans that have the bit adapter can really do. It's a lot of tools to add to a set, and already something that's got a lot of tools on it. Well, I think I bought these from Amazon, probably, just because I was on Amazon, probably, and haven't used them very much. Actually, I didn't know where they were for the longest time, I think. Yeah, that was what happened. Was I didn't know where they were, and then while I didn't know where they were, I told someone that I would give them a set, and then I found them and must not have found both of them. I have no idea, and there's no reason for me to have said that, but fuck it. I'm not taking it out now. Honestly, I don't have the bit extender, which kind of sucks, but I'm sure I could get it. Yeah. But these are alright. Obviously, I don't have the whole set. But I've made do. I don't even know which Leatherman sheath this is, but they both fit in it. Ooh. See ya.